This App4Sales training shows the possibilities of the catalog and explains how items can be viewed and added to the order. Press Catalog in the main menu. The catalog with all your synchronized items will be loaded. Navigate easily through the catalog by swiping to the left and right. Items can be provided with a stock indicator. Items that are on stock are shown with a green indicator. Items that are not on stock are provided with a red indicator. It's possible to view the catalog in 3 different ways: the catalog view, the table view, or the big catalog view. By pressing the customer icon, you can select a customer to start ordering. A customer is shown when one has already been selected. The bookmark icon provides you the ability to lock a position within the catalog. When swiping through the catalog, you can easily return to the locked position by pressing the bookmark icon with the arrow. Press the white bookmark icon to remove the locked position. With the Sort button, you can sort your catalog to your preferences. Items can be sorted ascending or descending. When selecting a filter, the arrow can be pressed and a minimum value can be filled in. For example, by filling in a minimum value at the price filter, providing a letter from the alphabet for the description filter, or by providing a date for which items are added to the catalog. It is possible to view the 100 most ordered items when a customer is selected. This can be done by pressing the top 100 button. The filter icon provides the ability to easily filter and find items. It is possible to add multiple filters at the same time to specify your selection. All the shown filters are synchronized from your ERP system. Remove filters by pressing Clear. With the search icon, you can find a specific item. You are able to search the article code or item description. By pressing the item in the catalog, the item card is shown. Navigate easily to the next item by swiping through the item cards. The item card is provided with a detailed picture and item information about the purchase package size and shelf stock. Documents connected to an item within your ERP system are shown. All information is synchronized from your ERP system. It is possible to change the item description to the customer's language. When a Dutch customer has been selected, the description will also be viewed in Dutch. This function is supported when your ERP system has the ability to add multiple language descriptions. You can add an item to the order by pressing the Add to Order button. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, it is possible to adjust the order amount by pressing the plus and minus button, or by easily providing the exact amount with the keyboard. A discount for the selected item can be applied. This discount will be valid for the entire order amount of the item. An adjusted price for the item can be filled in. Warning: if a discount has been applied, this will also count for the adjusted price. The instruction line makes it possible to add a description for the ordered item. This instruction line is shown on the order and invoice. Press Done to add the item to the order or Cancel to undo made changes. It is not possible to add items to the catalog within App4Sales. This has to be done through your ERP system. If your items have different kinds of types, designs, or styles, you can choose to use an item matrix. The item matrix shows all the different options for one product in a single screen together with the price of the item. Underneath the price, the stock is shown. With the refresh button, the latest known stock values are shown. This information is being pulled real-time from your ERP system. Items can be added to the order by pressing on the selection. When pressing multiple times, more items are being added to the order. At the bottom of the matrix, it is possible to manually add or change the amount of items. When pressing the top or left side of the matrix, the complete row will be selected. The amount of items can be filled at the bottom of the matrix. The items will be added to the order. Within the matrix, it is also possible to change the price of the selected item. This can be done by pressing the Currency button. A pop-up window will appear. The new price can be filled in. Press OK to apply the new price. The adjusted price will be shown for the selected item. This price will only be applied to the current order.